how I stepped up my studio lighting.
It's so damn dark in here. Damn. What's this? Oh, it's up. Let's see what this do. Alright, y'all. So look, let's talk about how I stepped up my studio lighting. It didn't cost a lot either. It was very affordable. It cost $200. Comes with 2 bass stands, 2 lights, 2 travel packs, and 1 accessory kit. As you can see here, I'm just getting the bass stands together. You want to, like, when you open them, you kind of have to, you see I did like a reverse fold type of thing. Then you get them right, you prop them down. There you go. Take your time, young man. That's the actual light fixture right there. You want to screw that on nice and tight. Yeah, I like to call these the flaps. I believe they control where the light goes in terms of how widespread it is. So my issue was I only had 1 light, and I would put it on the corner, on the side, or right in front of me. But then once I would start moving, I would have these issues with shadow. Wiring up the lights, putting them in their right places. I need 1 in each corner so that they can create a wide angle triangle, kind of like my speakers. The light will shine on me without creating shadows. It goes from dark, then voila. Let there be light. Let there be light, baby. These lights are amazing. I would recommend them. Clean up. You never forget to clean up. He feeling himself now. Ah, look at the lighting, y'all. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I just wanted y'all to get some perspective, and this is what I ended with. I think it looks great. It looks so much better than it did before. I highly recommend this product if you're looking to upgrade your lighting, upgrade your studio, upgrade your content. This is a great product. These some good ass lights, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. These some good ass lights. Happy with them. All right, watch the content go up a notch, baby. Let's get it.